Hey guys, it's pretty windy today, and as you can see by the flags, we're getting a different wind pattern. You guys know how the wind normally blows from, it comes from over that way somewhere, or it's either from that way all the way to over here. Well, today is unique because it's coming from down this way today, over that way somewhere, which I like. Yeah, you can tell by the flags they're blowing down that way. So this chime has went absolutely nuts today. I think because normally the porch cover and just all the obstacles around this side are blocking this one. There's not really much in the wind's path, if that makes sense today. Yeah, I see that. So this chime can get more wind today. Oh, here comes a gust. Oh, there we go. Oh, yup. That's what it's done all day. Oh my gosh. It was doing a little more earlier, but that was a good one right there too. The Bells of Paradise just went nuts today too. Yeah, I think between the Woodstock, Westminster, and the Bells of Paradise, those two have blown the most today. Oh yeah, there it goes. Woo! Oh wow. The flag's going nuts. And it turns out, I think it did get below freezing last night, but thank God that was the only night. I looked on the radar and it's gonna start warming up again day after day, so thank God. I pray this was the last one. Probably isn't, but you know. I can feel the wind coming through these holes. What in the? Oh, it's crows. That's what that noise was. I thought it was some kind of bird, but it's an American crow. It is. Yeah, as I was saying, I feel the wind coming through these holes really good. Oh wow. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, yeah. Heard a red-winged blackbird just now. Of course, I walk away from them and they start blowing. Oh wow, look at that thing. That's actually kind of funny. The way it's just spinning around. And of course, like always, the wind calms down now that I'm recording. Well, now it's gonna prove me wrong. Oh, the Corinthian bells is blowing some now. Well, I'll be back once, wait a minute. Yeah, there's a gust right now. Of course it comes since I'm talking about pausing the video. Ha ha, I tricked you, wind. Oh, the Corinthian bells is blowing now. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a gust. Oh wow, that's a big one. Yep, that's a big. Oh, here we go. Woo! Woo! Yeah, oh yeah, that's what it was like earlier today. Oh yeah, this is how it was doing earlier. Woo! This might be the craziest I've caught this one going on camera. That's going nuts. Oh my god. That might even be more than what it was doing earlier. That is crazy. Even the Gregorian baritone's going crazy. That one's swinging a lot. I swear, sometimes it blows my mind just how crazy the wind can be going 1 second and then how calm it is. Just look how calm it is now. Oh, here comes a gust. I hear the Westminster starting up. Jack. There we go. His nose was blocking the wind from... Jack, come here. There we go. Well, it calmed down again, so... I'm behind the fence now, and the Exhart ones are blowing a little bit. Oh, yep, there's a gust coming. Is that, a bird's crapped on this one. Have to clean that off eventually. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.